Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to unpack, which is unboxing, the X9 scooter that we have. And right now we are in a finished products warehouse. It's one of the warehouse in our China factory. And the goods I have, which is X9 scooter, X9 Plus scooters, and this is now available in German warehouse. So if you're interested, please leave the comments and send us the order. We can ship the samples to you to test. And so I'm going to start away, to unboxing the package. First, I have a knife right here. I'll just cut this off. Okay, this is I already cut this off, and here is a tingle. Just grab this. Okay, now it's inside of the box. It's our X9 scooter. Okay, let's start from here. We have a really tiny, pretty cute boxes, and guess what inside of this? Let me show you. It's our adapter and our cable line. CE stickers as proof. And this is our screws with scooters. The screwdrivers and the screws that can easily to screw up the scooter. And here is inside of the boxes, which is our X9. This is the scooter. And grab another box. We have a lot of protection, as you can see. Those are all protection to avoid the scratch or damage. Okay, we already unpacked the X9 scooter, and right here in front of me is our X9 Plus scooter. And I'm going to assemble this. As you can see, the handbar is not assembled as well. So assemble the pole and put the cable inside of the pole. Okay, now it's assembled. You need to use your screwdriver to screw the screws up. And after this is the overview of the X9 scooter, electric scooter. And we have the pedals right here. And we got a 10 inches wide tires, which is vacuum tires. And this is explosion proof. This is the front wheel, back wheel. And we got a little time stick right here. And pretty much of the sizes like this. This is the sizes. And me personally, 175 centimeters tall. So you can see the references uses my body. And this is available in our German warehouse right now. So make sure if you are Europeans, you can order right now. Okay.